Hello youngsters. Welcome to my channel Computer Dr. Riyansh Rawal. Today we learn about what is a hard disk and how many types of hard disk. A hard disk drive, HDD, also known as a hard drive, is a storage device that stores and retrieves digital data using magnetic storage technology. It is a non-volatile storage device, which means that data is retained even when the power is turned off. A hard disk drive consists of one or more disks coated with magnetic material and one or more read-write heads that move over the disks to read or write data. The disks spin at high speeds, and the read-write heads access data by positioning themselves over the appropriate track on the disk. There are two main types of hard disk drives. 1. Internal hard disk drive. This type of hard drive is installed inside a computer or laptop and is used as the primary storage device for the operating system, applications, and user data. 1. Internal hard drives come in different sizes and speeds, typically measured in gigabytes, GB, or terabytes, TB. 2. External hard disk drive. This type of hard drive is connected to a computer or laptop using a USB or other interface and is used as an additional storage device for backing up data, storing multimedia files, or transferring data between computers. 2. External hard drives come in various sizes and speeds, and some are designed to be portable and lightweight. There are also some other types of hard disk drives, including 1. Solid-state drive, SSD. An SSD is a type of hard drive that uses flash memory to store data. 1. It is faster and more reliable than a traditional hard drive, but also more expensive. 2. Hybrid hard disk drive, HDD. A hybrid hard drive is a combination of a traditional hard drive and an SSD. 2. It uses the traditional hard drive to store data and the SSD to cache frequently used data, resulting in faster access times. 3. Network attached storage, NAS. A NAS is a type of hard drive that is connected to a network and used for storing and sharing files between multiple computers or devices. The choice of a hard disk drive depends on the user's requirements for storage capacity, speed, reliability, and price. Thank you for watching my video. Keep learn and keep grow.